International Marketing Group, a global financial education enterprise, strategically partnered with the world's leading providers of financial products and services. Introduces its top benefits, offered exclusively to its growing list of members. Free unlimited financial education seminars, workshops, and exclusive financial books. Free financial checkup to diagnose your financial health. Exclusive access to the best long-term, short-term, and senior care services from the country's leading healthcare provider. Exclusive access to Fidelity Life, a mutual benefit association exclusive for members, with 50,000 life insurance coverage and 24/7 memorial concierge services. Access to the multiple option super term life insurance products, designed by the country's top provider, exclusively for IMG members. Free investment seminars. Invest in mutual funds at zero entry fees. Access to a stocks online trading platform with free investment guidance, analysis, and updates. Convenience and peace of mind for your funeral needs with the country's first 24/7 memorial concierge services. Free for all members and their immediate families. Protect your assets by creating your own corporation at members' discounted price. Combine huge savings and personalized assistance to enjoy a hassle-free car purchase experience with our exclusive IMG Auto program. Enjoy exclusive products and services from the country's leading telecommunications company. Exclusive money platforms for daily cash transactions. Anytime, anywhere. Save money while getting the best protection for your property and other assets from the best providers at the least possible price. Enjoy exclusive savings and best payment terms from the country's leading property developers. Get exclusive course fee discounts. Exclusive member care with vision care. Get free IMG and Kaiser frames and free computerized eye exams. Unlimited free consultation and discounted medical services benefit for members and their immediate families through IMG's exclusive partnership with Kaiser Medical Center. Exclusive discounted rates for ozone therapy. The latest and safest technology to defeat pain and defy the aging process. Exclusive member discounts. Special visit. Be your own financial educator. Become debt-free. Enjoy your own time. Get the income you want from your own business in the elite financial industry. Experience the world's wonders on your vacations, cruises, and conventions through the IMG's Travel Rewards program. Qualify for the exclusive and world-class IMG Recognition Awards. Free HMO coverage for senior marketing directors and executives. IMG, exclusive to members.